Where's her hand? What happened? No, she should be have a hand. No, what happened to her hand? No. Yes, where's my hand? What did you do with my hand? Why you cut my hand? Ah, no, don't cut my hand. Oh, oh, what is? Oh, purple. Okay. No, me. Nice. Today, yeah. Okay, come on. Pwede naman yung purple na pants na niya yan, madam. Ay, hindi, pwede na yung purple. Sa white, pwede yung purple na yung pa, yeah. Good job. Yeah, I know. Grandma have that. I know. See, look at that. Where's my hand? Yeah. Oo. Maglaro mo na siya. Mga 9:30, mother. 5 more minutes, Gilana. Okay. Yeah, 9:30. So you'll be done. I'm coming down. Where's everybody? I don't know where's everybody. Oh, where's everybody? Where's the girls? 9:30. Oh, oh. Oh. Ay, mother, tignan mo anong damit nila. Hindi kambal. Hindi, tinignan mo ba anong isusuot nila? Anong susuot ng dalawa? Hmm. Palda. Jade, let me see. Let me see, anak. Oh, I thought you were the white one. Oh, wow. Where you got that skirt? It's nice. Yes, grandma. Yes, grandma. Oh, yes.